Good afternoon and welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court and the opportunity to ask questions. In the Thaci et al. Trial, the 12th witness called by the prosecution delivered their testimony on Monday and Tuesday of this week, answering questions from the prosecution and from defense teams. The witness testified under protective measures about their alleged detention and mistreatment by members of the KLA in 1998. Given that the testimony was held mostly in private session, and to ensure greater publicity of the hearing, the trial panel authorized the prosecution to read a summary of the witness testimony in open session. The testimony of the 13th witness called by the prosecution began on Tuesday and is ongoing. The witness, whose testimony has been public, is Mr. Rustem Mustafa, former KLA commander of the Lab Operational Zone. Hearings in this trial continue tomorrow and next week until Thursday, 20th July. In the trial of Pieter Schala, the prosecution closed its case on Thursday, 6 July 2023. On the same day, the defense gave notice of its intention to file a motion to dismiss certain charges against the accused, as well as its intention to present its case. The trial panel set the deadline for the motion to dismiss certain charges to Thursday, 24th August at 4 in the afternoon, and ordered the prosecution and victims' counsel to respond to the motion, if they so wish, by Monday, 4th September. According to the rules of procedure and evidence before the KSC, immediately after the closing of the specialist prosecutor's case, the defense shall notify the trial panel if it intends to file a motion to dismiss any or all of the charges in the indictment. The judges may decide to dismiss some or all of the charges if they determine that there is no evidence capable of supporting a conviction beyond a reasonable doubt. Pending the outcome of the motion to dismiss certain charges, the panel has determined that victims' counsel's presentation of evidence and the defense preparation conference will take place between 21st and 25th August. Finally, the trial panel has set 18th September as the target date for the defense to commence with the presentation of its case, including the calling of witnesses. In the same case, on 11th July, the trial panel authorized, among others, the reclassification as public of parts of the transcripts of trial hearings held in private session on 2nd and 3rd May 2023. In the interest of the publicity of proceedings, the judges regularly order the review of reductions and confidential proceedings, so that information may be made public later when the reasons for its confidentiality no longer apply. That is all from me. If there are any questions, I'll be happy to respond.